Evron Computer Systems proudly presents Sage BusinessVision's Creating a Deposit Slip demonstration. Prepare to be amazed.
Thank you, and welcome to the demonstration on how to create a deposit slip. Have you ever noticed when trying to do a bank reconciliation in BusinessVision, your bank statement will say deposit $10,501, and you can't find that single transaction in the general ledger bank account? So you go searching through your transactions, trying to match up a series of transactions to equal that amount. BusinessVision has always had a method for dealing with this dilemma by simply using the cash and check receipts account in the general ledger to capture all the payments made by your clients and then transferring them to the bank account as one single transaction. Part of this transaction process will allow you to create a report that will emulate a deposit slip complete with total amounts. As part of the demonstration, it is important to show which account the journal entry will be posted to, so I've turned off the auto post in order to show that. When you receive a payment from your client, you open the Accounts Receivable module, select the client, and flag all of the invoices associated with the payment. You should then link them together and apply the payment using the New button and entering the check number for later reference. As you can see from the journal entry, the payment is posted to the cash and check receipts account. Once you've entered all the payments, you will open the Account Reconciliation module from the Utilities menu. The default account is your bank account. Simply click on the magnifying glass and then double-click on the cash and check receipts account. Using the default of the opening screens, click the OK button. This will display all the payments that have been journalized to this account. Using the checkbox to the left of each transaction, flag the payments that are going to be included in this deposit. As you flag each payment, you will notice the deposit and debits and the unreconciled amounts increasing. This number represents the total of your deposit. To create the deposit slip, click on the Report button. This will create a printable report that can be used as a deposit slip, complete with a total. To move this total amount to the bank account, a journal entry has to be created with a credit to the cash and check receipts account and a debit to the bank. To accomplish this, click on the Journal Entry button. Once you have confirmed the journal entry date, using the magnifying glass, find and double-click on the cash and check receipts account. Next is the memo field. The text that you type in this field is displayed when you do your bank account reconciliation, so make it meaningful. Remember to tag it with the date for easy reference. In the credit amount window, enter the same dollar amount as the unreconciled total. The balancing account should be the bank account you are depositing to. To move to the next line of the journal entry, left-click on the grid. To select the bank account, click on the magnifying glass and find the account. When you double-click on the bank account and press Tab, the debit amount window should fill in automatically. The transaction is now complete. Once posted, click the Exit button to return to the account reconciliation. A new transaction will appear. Flag the new transaction to include it in the reconciliation. You will notice that the unreconciled amount is now 0. Click on the Post button to complete your deposit to the bank. To confirm all the transactions were moved on the account number magnifying glass, select the cash and check receipts account and double-click. Click the OK button and you will notice that there aren't any transactions left to be moved. This concludes the demonstration. Thank you.
We hope you've enjoyed this presentation. For more information, please call Owen Pinsky at 905-477-0444.